Hello viewer, we will use the remover on that surface, create the design. So let's generate the further one. Then here we will change the layer style on it. Now convert it into the 3D. In 3D I will use the cylindrical 3D design. We will wait for it. It may take few seconds to generate the 3D design. So there it is. I can show you how it looks with it. We can move it on that side. We will have to use that option.